There's been many industries that have been utilizing EPCIS for many years, and really now it's the pharmaceutical industry seeing that based on the requirements of DSCSA and serialization at the lowest saleable unit, that EPCIS is the preferred methodology that the industry is adopting. The guideline was developed and created through a work group. And the work group comes together with industry leaders, subject matter experts as we call them. Mike Ventura from TraceLink is one of our co-chairs within the work group, and a number of other individuals within the TraceLink organization are part of the work group. I would like to call out Elizabeth Waldorf and just the incredible work that she's been doing in this area, and very technical as it relates to XML and supporting that need. So it looks at both from a technical perspective in terms of how to utilize our standard of EPCIS, as well as what are some of the business processes, what are the challenges. And what we're hearing in the industry right now is how we're going to manage exceptions. So what happens if I'm, as a buyer, the truck pulls up, I have product, but I don't have a transaction, I don't have an EPCIS event. How do I handle that? What do I do? Do I put it in quarantine? Do I wait? Do I make a phone call? How do I manage that exception? Or just the opposite. I have the data, I have the EPCIS event, but I don't have any product. One of the other categories that we've identified is we have damages, with where I can't read a barcode, I physically have damaged product. How do I handle that? How do I do a return? Do I destroy it? And then finally, what if I have instances of both physical damage as well as damage from the transaction perspective? I can't read the EPCIS event. There's more to be done in the future because there's still more questions that the industry is tackling. And new things will develop and we'll modify and we'll provide to the industry what the best practices are and what is the recommendation for these industry leaders. Clearly, if you're just getting involved in this journey today, I would really recommend that your solution providers be a major contributor to your success, that it'd be very difficult for someone to do it all on their own. There's no time to waste as it relates to this, and you need to move forward as quickly as possible to be prepared for that requirement for 2017, and that's the requirement we should all be driving forward to.